Zuri. Okay, Zuri, open it.
Tear it apart.
Very good.
You naman, you.
How about Zanny? Open.
Thank you.
You say
No,
thank you.
Huh?
Yay.
No kiss. You kiss first.
Oh, kiss Momsy. Say thank you. Say thank you, Momsy.
Mason and
Momsy, yay.
Ayo, ha?
Oh, yan. Turuan mo rin si Zanny mag-open, Daddy.
Open.
Open up.
Akin na nga yan, ano.
Come on. Here. Good job. Open it up. What's that? A train! Good job. Yay. Low battery.
Mom, open the train.
Let's open the train. Yes, ask Momsy. Go ask Momsy. Open, please. Please, say please.
Say the magic word.
Say please.
You ask Daddy,
Say please.
Tapos na ako dito ng ano eh.
How about Zanny? Yay! You're happy, Zuri.
Are you happy? Huh? You like it? You like it?
What is it, Zanny?
Little girl.
Si
I'll make
little
you a
girl
package.
naman. Little girl naman.
Ano to?